Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of McAllen Unplugged. My name is Marlene. Have you ever wondered how plants and trees get their water? Well, this science experiment will teach you just that. So the name of this science experiment is capillary action, and the items that you will need are water, paper towels, food coloring, and 5 plastic bowls or cups. So for this first step, you're going to want to place water in your first, third, and 5th bowl. When you're pouring the water, just make sure not to go more than half of your bowl or cup. Capillary action is the way plants and trees get their water. Rainwater filters through the soil, and then the roots absorb the water. Then through capillary action, it goes up through the trunk and stem, going against all the laws of gravity. So for this next step, we will be placing food coloring into our bowls, and we're going to be using our 3 primary colors, which are red, yellow, and blue. And later on in this experiment, you'll see why. So I'm going to be using about 5 to 6 drops to allow for a really strong color. So now that we have our food coloring done, we're going to start by rolling our paper towels, which are going to represent the roots of our plants or trees. For the paper towels, you're going to want to make sure to roll them horizontally, like so. That way they can reach down to the bottom of the bowl. So now that we have our paper towels folded nicely and tight, you're going to want to place one end of the paper towel into the bowl with water, and then the other end of the paper towel to the other bowl without the water, forming a bridge like so. And you're going to do that all the way across. Question number 1. Capillary action was first recorded by who? A. Einstein, B. Bill Nye the Science Guy, or C. Leonardo da Vinci? If you picked C. Leonardo da Vinci, you are correct. Leonardo is known for his Renaissance paintings, The Last Supper and the Mona Lisa. Question number 2. What 2 colors will form in the empty bowls in this experiment? A. Green and orange, B. Purple and pink, or C. Green and pink? The answer is A. Green and orange. So as you can see, the blue food coloring has already started to travel up, defying gravity, into the empty bowl, and it's already mixing with the yellow food coloring, which has done the exact same thing, going up, defying gravity, and they're actually going to start to form the color green. And you can kind of see it right there mixing together, because blue and yellow make green. And the same thing is happening right over here. Red has also done the same thing, traveling up into the bowl, mixing with the yellow, which is going to form orange. It might take a little bit more time, but you'll see it. So in this experiment, our paper towels are representing our roots, which are absorbing the water that will travel up our stems into the leaves. Question number 3. Capillary action transports which of the following to plants' roots? A. Water, B. Nutrients, or C. All of the above?
The correct answer is C, all of the above. Through capillary action, plants receive water and minerals it needs to grow healthy and strong.
So it's been roughly about 5 hours now, and as you can see, all the water has traveled in what used to be empty bowls. Isn't it pretty cool how blue and yellow made green, and how red and yellow made orange? Comment below if you got all 3 questions right earlier in the video. Thank you for joining us today for this awesome capillary action science experiment. Comment below for other science experiments that you would like us to do. Continue to follow us on all of our social media channels and visit our YouTube channel, McAllen Parks and Recreation, to see other episodes of McAllen Parks Unplugged. See you next time.